Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, and this is my Angie again, and thank you for supporting me first of all kasi naka 1,000 subscriber na tayo. So guys, our video for the day is about how to take care of our hair, to make it smooth, to make it black. But for your information, alam niyo naman yan, you know that I'm using some hair shampoo for dyeing my hair kasi we cannot stop it, guys. So, if you like this video, please watch this and so, I will go to the restroom and I will just clean my hair. We have to clean our hair before you use this one. And then, I will apply this product. So, I will show you all the information about this product after I will... Let's go! Hi guys! I'm back! Yun nga, what I did is, I just cleaned my hair like a normal one. I put shampoo, rinse it, and that's it. So all we have to do is we have to use this this one. This is not a sponsored one, guys. I'm just showing it to you. So this is a hair treatment cream for all hair guys. We will just remove the excess water in our hair para hindi siya tumutulo dito, okay? That's it. That's it. So, ganun lang siya. And then, just, okay. So, all I have to do is just divide this one, my hair like that. So, this one. So, let's have some cream. We'll open it. Oh, this one, guys. There's some cream. Just apply in your palm. Sorry, let me just remove my ring. Okay, palm. And then from the head, you can just put like okay. And then just put it down. Don't try to pull down. Maybe your hair will fall down. Okay. Then I will make sure that it will cover all my hair, guys. So, ayan, hanggang sa tip ang ginagawa ko. I'm putting until the tip of my hair, like that. Oh, avoid rubbing your hair. Actually, it's not good rubbing your hair as per them. Ayan, ganyan lang siya. Please let me know, guys, if you have a good hair treatment, and I will try to use it. Let's help each other to discover some good things in this life. So just share, just write on my description below, guys, and I will try it. So ganyan lang siya. I'm not trying to pull my hair because naglalaga, so it's falling hair. I have a falling hair as much as possible. So I will put it at the back as well. Then at the back. Ooh, there's something. So that's it. And then this one, I'm just trying to make it all covered with this cream. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Sometimes good is staying at home. Just doing these things. And then just cover like that. If you feel that everything have covered already, it's a good thing if you will go to the salon, guys. No, someone will massage your scalp. Yeah, like that. They will scalp like that. So yan. So that's it, guys. So okay na, I think it's okay, quite okay now. I covered all my hair now. See? Oh. So why I have ponytail? Because I have to tie like this. Ayan. Tatay ko siya kasi mahaba because I have a long hair, guys. So I'm trying to fit in the plastic shower cup. So okay, hold on, I will tie it like it. Okay. Yan. Ganyan siya. This is the one is okay. Ayan. So after that one, if you tie like that, and then we will put the shower cup. Yun lang. Yun. Alis siya. Shower cup. Shower cup. Shower cup. Shower cup. Actually, I got this one shower cup. Yeah, it's very long. It's very long. So we will have to cover like this. Yeah, you have to make sure that you cover everything. Yan. 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 Oh, zero. Hindi. Ganyan. So, we will wait for how many minutes? It says here, it should be 3 to 5 minutes. Sabi na yan. Ganyan siya. Wala. Guys, this is the final product of our hair treatment. So far, okay naman siya. It's not that so soft, but okay. So far, average siya. So, I will check after maybe 3 weeks or until I finish the product, and then I will tell you guys. So, this is my hair right now, if you can see it. And then you can see the other side. And voila! So that's all, guys. So I will say it's like more than average as of now, this product. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you not subscribed yet to my channel, please subscribe and like also, and click also the bell button if you want to have a notifications once I uploaded another video. So guys, thank you so much, and as usual, I want to say thank you for the support. We are 1,000 plus subscribers. Yay! Thank you. So guys, so I will see you on my next video. Bye. Thank you.
No.